Emma, who loved asking questions about everything, was helping Lucy decorate the rink for the winter show. Lucy hung sparkly snowflakes while wearing her new magical coat. "I wish we could do something really special for the show," Lucy said, "to thank everyone for being so nice to us." That night, the familiar blue light from the wishing window sparkled extra bright. In a swirl of light, Emma found herself in a snowy field behind Santa's workshop. Tiny bells tinkled in the snow-covered flowers around her feet. "Welcome to the reindeer meadow," said Santa Claus, who filled Christmas with magic for children everywhere. "There's someone special who wants to meet you." A young reindeer with wobbly legs stepped forward shyly. "Hi, I'm Shimmer," she said softly. "I'm learning to fly, just like you're learning to skate." The heart-shaped white patch on her nose seemed to glow in the moonlight. "Shimmer is like you, Emma," Santa smiled. "She loves giving joy to others, but sometimes worries if her gifts are good enough." Shimmer nodded, her tiny antlers bobbing. "The other reindeer can fly so high, but I—" She tried to jump and stumbled, her long legs tangling. "But watch what happens when Shimmer stops worrying," Santa said. He opened a crystal jar filled with light green as fresh pine needles. The light danced around them like falling stars. In the light, Emma saw moments of giving, children sharing cookies, friends lending books, and something that made her eyes grow big, young reindeer teaching baby birds to be brave about flying. "Shimmer," Emma said suddenly, "you help the birds feel better about flying because you know what it's like to be scared." Shimmer's eyes brightened. "Just like you help Lucy with skating because you remember learning too." The best gifts come from sharing what we know, what we love, and sometimes even what we struggle with. Emma thought about the winter show. "Shimmer, would you help me think of a special way to thank everyone at the rink?" The young reindeer pranced excitedly, almost tripping over her own hooves. "What if you share the story of how you and Lucy became friends through skating?" The next day, Emma and Lucy worked with Miss Rose, who taught skating with a heart full of patience and joy to create something new. They mixed Lucy's wobbly spins with Emma's jumps, just like they learned from Tinker, the creative elf. But this time, they added moves that showed their whole story, from watching and learning to helping and sharing. As Emma and Lucy's final skate fades into starlight, and the last echo of Santa's jolly laugh drifts away on the winter breeze, there's one final piece of magic to share. A special letter, written with the same love and wonder that brought this story to life. Hey kids! What a magical Christmas story! Let's help other children find these magical stories. Ask your grown-up to subscribe and like. Have a wonderful festive season. See you next time.